Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's episode, it's a much weighted episode. It's going to be Brasso silk material. Lot of you were asking for this and we've been waiting for a good collection for a very long time. We have got with really nice collections this time. Very pretty material. It's going to be really super soft material and a very flowy material. And since it's been a machine or folded once, here and there are few crumbles, so once you open it and unfold it and fold it back, those crumbles will go. So I just want to special mention on this. And regarding the maintenance, these sarees you just need to simple hand wash. That should be enough for these sarees. You don't need any starch, nothing for these sarees. Very easy maintenance in the classy saree. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. A very pretty Brasso silk saree, a pink with green color combination, beautiful pattern. Both the sides we have a small border, and throughout the body, on the bottom part of the border you have a beautiful floral pattern motif, and throughout the body we have a beautiful geometric pattern design which is self weaved inside the saree. It's a zari woven design, and this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is a contrast blouse. It's a contrast green blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 790. We have some lovely color combination in the same pattern. I'll show you the other colors. The first was a pink with green. This is the same design but green with pink combination. Very pretty combination. Looks really nice. So this will be the body of the saree. A green with a pink combination, and the pallu is this. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is contrast pink color. The next color in the same pattern is very pretty blue with red color combination. Beautiful design, same pattern, a self woven body, pretty design. So this is the body of the saree in blue with red combination, pretty border design. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is a contrast red color. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 790. The next combo in this is again a very lovely combination, a green with a dark blue, more of an indigo blue. So this is the body of the saree. You can see very pretty color combo, looks really nice. And the blouse is a contrast blouse, and the pallu of the saree is this. This is the pallu of the saree, and the price of the saree is 790. A very pretty design, a beautiful geometric pattern Brasso silk saree. Both the sides we have a contrast mustard border, and the body is a beautiful geometric pattern design, and you have a slight shimmer. Mild shine is there in these kind of sarees, which makes the saree look a bit rich. And this is the pallu of the saree, a beautiful pallu, and the blouse is again a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 790. We have some lovely color combination in the same design. I'll show you the other colors. The next is a beautiful sapphire green with dark maroon color combination border, a beautiful pattern. See, this is the body of the saree. The body is this, a pretty design, looks really nice when you wear. And this is the pallu of the saree, pretty pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is again a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, a very different blouse, and these kind of sarees have that shimmer shine which make the saree look really classy. And the price of the saree is 790. In the same pattern we have a beautiful pink with a light green color combination, a mehendi green combination. So this is the body of the saree. This is the body of the saree, a pretty color combo, and this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 790. The next combo in the same pattern is a beautiful lime green a dark lime green combination with a pink color border. So this is the body of the sari. This is how it looks, pretty design. And this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu. And the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 790. A very pretty design, a lovely combination, grey with a pink color combination. Both the sides are beautiful temple border design on the borders, and throughout the body we have a beautiful manga pate design running along the body. It's all self weaved, very pretty weaving is being done. A slight shimmer also is there, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is going to be a pretty blouse. And the blouse of the sari is this, a pretty blouse for this sari. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 790. We have some other beautiful combination in this pattern also. The first was a grey with a pink. The second is a double shade, dual shade green with pink color combination, same pattern. So this is the body of the sari, a pretty design, beautiful color combo. And the pallu of the sari is this, a pretty pallu, and the blouse is going to be in contrast pink. It has shimmer, so a mild shine will be there in the sari, but it's not gaudy, it's very subtle. And the price of the sari is 790. The next combo in the same pattern is a navy blue with rust. So this is the body of the sari, looks really nice, pretty one, very pretty one. And the pallu of the sari is this. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 790. You can have a look of the body. This is the body of the sari. The next is a dark, it's more of a parrot green with a pink combination. Just show you the body. This is the body, very pretty one, parrot green with a pink combination. So this is going to be the body of the sari. This is how it is going to be, very lovely, beautiful combination. And the price of the sari is 790. Sorry. The next is a pink with a green combo, temple border design. So this is the body of the sari, very pretty combo, lovely design, a pretty design. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is in contrast green color, and the price of the sari is 790. The last combo in the same pattern is a rust with a navy blue combination. So this is the body of the sari. So very classy, cute, nice colors and nice design, looks really rich and elegant. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 790. This is again a very pretty combo, dark sapphire green color combination with a rust color border. Beautiful geometric pattern design, a zigzag pattern. Both the sides we have a same length of the border in contrast color, and the body of the sari is a very pretty design. It's a beautiful golden color weaving running along the body, looking really classy. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is contrast rust color. Sorry. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 790. We have some lovely combination in this pattern too. The next is going to be a lovely blue with the rust color combination, very pretty design. So this is the body of the sari, looks so classy, looks so nice. The design is so rich, very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari. This is going to be the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 790. The next combo in this is green with pink, very pretty green with pink combo. So this is the body of the sari, a very pretty color and a lovely design, pretty designs. And this is going to be the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the saree is in pink color, and the price of the saree is 790. The next color combo in the same pattern is going to be pink with green. Again, a beautiful combinations. All the combinations are so very elegant and rich combinations. Makes the saree really rich that you can wear even for small functions. It's a pink with a green combo. Beautiful saree. And this is the pallu. And the blouse of the saree is this. And the price of the saree is 790. A very very pretty saree. It's a kota silk saree in brasso type design. A very very pretty kalamkari pattern on the body, and on the borders we have a contrast yellow color border. On the border we have a beautiful floral pattern also. On the body it's a kalamkari pattern design. Very very pretty design running along the body. And the material is a brasso kota silk. And the pallu of the saree is this. And the blouse of the saree is contrast blouse. And the price of the saree is 790. This is again a beautiful brasso kota silk material. Very very soft and flowy material. And a very different design. A dual shade pattern. On the top we have a lighter color. On the bottom part we have a blue color. A beige with a blue combination. On the borders we have a satin borders on both the sides of the saree. And throughout the body we have a beautiful self weaving running along the body of the saree. Very very pretty design. And this is the pallu of the saree, a pretty pallu. And the blouse of the saree is this, a pretty blouse. It's really nice. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 940. This is again a beautiful red with orange color combination, dual shade pattern kota silk material, brasso material saree. Both the sides we have a satin border, and throughout the body we have a golden weaving in a geometric pattern. The weaving is completely in geometric pattern, pretty design. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is again a very very pretty blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 940. This is again a dual shade pattern. On the top we have a light green, and the bottom part we have a dark green color combination. This is again a kota silk material, brasso material saree. Both the sides we have satin border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful golden color weaving running along the body. It's all geometric pattern design, very very pretty. On the top part it's a light green, bottom is a darker green. And this is the pallu of the saree, and in these sarees there are some kind of crumbles here and there because of the foldings. It will be fine once you unfold and again fold it back. And this is the blouse of the saree, a pretty blouse, and the price of the saree is 940. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the beautiful lovely color combinations brasso silk sarees. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.